Tired of Webflow sites that become unmanageable messes? Let's unlock the secrets to building professional, scalable websites with Client First. Client First isn't just a set of rules. It's a thoughtful approach to Webflow development, designed to make your projects efficient, maintainable, and ultimately, more profitable. It's about building with a plan, not just a prayer today. We'll walk through the core principles and show you how to implement them to build better Webflow sites, especially for your clients. The foundation of Client First lies in meticulous organization. This starts with your naming conventions. Think of it like organizing your closet. Everything has its place. And a clear label. This prevents confusion and makes it incredibly easy to find and modify elements later. When naming your classes, use a consistent system. A popular approach is to combine categories like structure, component, and utility. For example, you might use section for a structural element, card for a repeating component, and text center for a utility class. This clarity is crucial. Next, we focus on designing with intent. This means defining your style guide, upfront colors, typography, spacing, and components. Client First encourages you to build these as reusable elements within Webflow, saving you immense time and ensuring brand consistency across your projects. Spend time setting up your global swatches and typography in Webflow. This isn't just for aesthetics. It's for efficiency. When you need to make a site-wide change, you'll only have to adjust it once in your style guide, and it will reflect everywhere. When building actual components, like your navigation or footer, think modularly. Break them down into their smallest reusable parts, and apply your naming conventions. This approach makes them adaptable and easy to swap or update as client needs evolve. By consistently applying these Client First principles, structured naming, a defined style guide, and modular building, you won't just build websites. You'll build scalable, maintainable Webflow powerhouses that impress clients and streamline your workflow. Start organizing today for better Webflow tomorrow.